Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change our background on the Zoom meeting application, especially from Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom meeting application. And usually if we want to change our background, we have to go to the more option right here. And here we will have option to change our background. But here, as you can see, unfortunately, there's no option to change my background. If you have the same problem, don't worry guys, because we can still change our background on Zoom meeting application using the video call effects feature on our Android phone. You just need to go to your setting and you have to go to the advanced feature to activate the video call effect. Click on the advanced features, and here you have to activate the video call effect on your Android phone. If you don't have this feature on your phone, so you cannot change your Zoom meeting background. But if you have this feature, you can activate it. Then you can set up the background by clicking on this video call effect. You can add background image right here. For example, I'm going to add a background image from my gallery. I'm going to add this one, for example. Then we can click on done. And we just need to go back to our Zoom meeting and we can change our background. We can turn on our camera first. Wait guys. Okay, then this is the video call effect we can use to change our background. Tap on it, then select background, and here you just need to click on image, and this is the result. As you can see that my background has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change background on Zoom meeting application, especially from Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.